Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you back to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road, doing another location series episode. Today we are riding up to New Hampton, New York, and we will be visiting Soons Orchard Farmers Market. I love this market. I mean, they have the greatest stuff to buy and all kinds of goodies, produce, bakery, and whatnot. So I gotta stock up on my goodies because I ran out, and when you're watching Netflix and Hulu and all kinds of stuff like that, man, you need some stuff to munch on. I'm sure most of you can relate to me. When us bikers are not riding, this is what we do. We sit in front of the TV and we just binge watch all kinds of shows, and we need energy to do that. And that's where we're going now to pick up some. Okay, here's my left turn, and we should be there shortly around the corner there. It's over behind all these houses over here. Hey, if you are in the lower Hudson Valley area and you know some good stops, hey, put the comment down below, okay? Okay, here we are. Gonna pull over here to the right. And stop. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Location Series at On the Other Side of the Road. So we're up here in New Hampton, New York, hanging out. We took a ride on the bike, me and my girlfriend, and we're gonna pick up some bakeries and some produce today. So come up here. You'll love this place. It's got plenty of stuff to grab, just like on my last location series called Salinger's Farmers Market. That's over on the other side of New York. And this side here has pretty much the same things, but a few extra other things too. You know, they got the great cider here, the apple cider donuts, the produce and everything. So we're gonna go inside. Why don't you guys come in with me and check it out. Hoo-hoo, I am all stocked up. I'm ready to get back home and put the stuff away and grab a few things when I'm sitting in front of the TV. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, support the channel, and I'll be coming back to you with something else next time, alright? So, rubber down, be safe, and most of all, I hope you enjoyed this video.